Today we're going to check out the newer Samsung Jet 90 series cordless stick vacuum. This is the complete series, so I'm going to unbox this for you guys and show you exactly everything you get with a complete series purchase. This was $599, so very, very expensive cordless stick vacuum. Hopefully it's going to be really good. I'm going to put it up against my Dyson, up against my Shark. And this also has a really cool feature, which I'll be unboxing in a separate video. It has a clean station, kind of like the Roomba's automatic self-empty bin. This will, rather than dumping your bin into your trash, you literally set it on top of here. It will suck it out of the bin straight into a bag, so you don't have to mess with any type of dirt whatsoever. And then once the bag is full, you just throw it away. Put it in a new bag. You don't have to mess with dirt at all. That's going to be really fun to test. I can't wait to unbox this and then test out the combo. Be coming in a new video very shortly. So let's go ahead and check out this guy. There's going to be a lot of things in here. This thing's going to have to be really good to match its $599 price. Very expensive. The self-empty bin here is $99 if you can get it on sale. Otherwise, the normal price is $199. So let's go ahead and check this out. Here is the manual. All right, let's go ahead and go through all these parts. I have a parts list here because I do not know the name of everything offhand, but we'll show you each and every single part that you get. Of course, this is the power cord to charge it. Go ahead and just start right here. All right, this here is a combination tool. Extends out. All right, this next part, they call it a flexible tool. All right, this is going to be part of the dock. We'll put this together in this video as well. This is going to connect to the whole dock, and then the vacuum itself will slide in here and charge as it sits on the dock. Should be a really nice, classy looking display. We will definitely be showing you that soon. Here is the main part of the entire vacuum. This is the dirt bin. The motor's in here, power controls and everything. It says 99.999% HEPA filtration. So anybody with allergies or anything like that, this is gonna be very good for you. As you can see, the tank completely comes off. You'll set this in that machine and it will suck it all out. Tank is a little bit smaller than I expected, so just a quick note. Another thing to note with this works with just a simple on and off push button, and then you can increase the suction with a plus and minus, so there is no trigger that you have to pull. Very cool, good looking unit. Lots and lots and lots of stuff in here. Next up, this appears to be part of the dock as well. We'll put this together, but this looks like this is where some of the accessories attached to. Here we have what they call the pipe. That's literally the name they gave it, and it's adjustable. You make it a lot longer or shorter, which is nice. It's got power connections built in. And there's the size of the tube. So I will be testing this out with tons of different debris. We'll see just how large a debris this can pick up without having any issues. Right now, it seems to be jelly beans. It's really hard for some vacuums and really easy for others. So I'm really curious how this will do with jelly beans. Here is one of the batteries. .9 volt lithium ion battery. All right, there's the battery. Okay, this is a little hardware kit that also goes to the stand and dock. So we'll put that together, like I said, in just a little bit. All right, here we have the soft roller. This is actually the first vacuum I've ever owned with its own soft roller that actually came with it. All the Dysons I've ever bought, this was not included. However, this is the complete edition, like I said. If you bought just the Jet 90 or the Jet 75, it would not come with a soft roller. That's something you would have to add extra. I'll be putting this to the test. They call it the soft action brush. All right, next up we have the main floor head turbo action brush. This is just the typical brush that every single vacuum has. I'll be also testing this with hair, see how well it does with hair, see if anything gets tangled inside. This just comes with everything, doesn't it? All right, next up we have a mini motorized tool. This is gonna be really good for your stairs. We have an extension crevice tool here. Pretty cool, that extends out quite a bit. And then we still got one more box to go. All right, this is the main charging dock. This is a heavy plate at the bottom so that the weight won't make it knock over or anything like that. Very nice looking. It's like a kind of like a brushed stainless steel. Here's where you plug it in. Pretty cool. So this is the most accessories I've ever had with any type of vacuum. So I'm really hoping this base they give you, everything clicks in and everything is stored within just this base and that's it. So I don't have to put something else separate in the closet or in a drawer or anything like that. Let's go ahead and put the vacuum itself together real quick. It slides right in that tube, clicks in. And then let's just start with the basic turbo action brush. Everything clicks in, of course. And there you have it. That is the looks of it. Very nice looking, looks very high quality. And if you need to extend this, you can extend it quite a bit. Throw the battery on real quick. One good thing about this particular model, you can, as you can see, buy a separate battery, so you won't have to wait for it to charge if you have a really big floor plan. Let's go ahead and turn it on real quick. There's medium suction, max, minimum. The 3 suction modes total. I'll be testing this thing a lot. Let me know what kind of test you want to see with this guy. I'll be putting it up, like I said, against my Dyson V10. I have the Shark Vertex cordless, and a bunch of other Shark cordless vacuums as well. One thing I like about the Shark over this one, unfortunately, for this, is the Shark has a soft roller head already built in, so it's a duo clean, so you don't have to swap these out. The soft roller is going to be really, really good for hard floors, whereas the turbo action brush is going to be evidently really good for carpets. There we have that very good looking stick vac. Probably the best, most highest quality looking one that I own right now. Let's go ahead and install this dock. Looks like this is going to click in here like so. Then this part will click in this top part as well. So they do include one screw that you throw in right here. Otherwise, when you pick it up like I did, I probably got lucky that it didn't just fall out. So one screw will hold in this entire thing. So this comes with an additional mount that you're supposed to attach to your wall. Then this will click in here to give it a little bit more stability. I'm not going to do that right now just because I don't know where I'm going to permanently put this. So I'm going to see if you can get away without using this. All right, a couple more key features of the stand. As you can see, it only has 2 spots for your additional tools, and you have 3 of them without power. These ones with power will not hang from the back of this at all. So unfortunately, to my point earlier, you will have to store these 2 in a separate drawer or in your closet or something like that. It would have been really nice if they could have somehow made it to where everything was held on within this thing, but that's okay. Not a huge deal. Another thing I just noticed, you can have a separate battery charging here at all times, or you can keep the battery in your vacuum when you're done, and as it sits here on this front plate, it'll charge. So you can have an extra battery that's fully charged at all times, which is really nice. So to fix this little problem with 3 and only having 2 holes, as you can see, you can put one up there, of course, and then you can put this little extension on this one already, like so, and then you hang this one. So that's one way to solve that, but like I said, any of the parts that have contacts that need to be motorized with power, you cannot store them on this dock. All right, next I'm gonna set this dock where I want it for right now, and I will attach the vacuum to it, and we'll see how it all looks when it's set up and ready to go. All right, I decided to go ahead and plug in the dock right there. And when you're done using your vacuum, just walk it over, set this in the dock like so. And now it is charging at all times. So anytime you need to use it, it's gonna be fully ready. So overall, what do you guys think? Do you think it's a nice looking system? I sure do. Let me know what kind of test you guys want to see with this. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up this unboxing. Hopefully you found out some information that you were looking for. Let me know down in the comments what kind of test you'd like to see with this. I'm going to put this through a ton of tests. I'm going to be showing you the self-empty bin that it offers. The clean station, which should be very, very cool. I'm excited to test that. I think it's going to be very cool and very useful. If you're new, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming with this guy and a lot of other vacuums, robot vacuums, and other tech-related items. So thanks again, and have an awesome day.